Introducing Kwikbead, the new beading product for the plastering industry. Its simple one-fix application combines galvanized angle bead with scrim tape pre-fixed in the manufacturing process. Kwikbead has been created to improve the speed and efficiency of applying traditional angle bead to internal dry-lined walls. Kwikbead's self-adhesive application eliminates traditional fixing methods. No need for nails, screws, staples, or separate adhesives. Kwikbead is easily adjusted for accurate alignment and readily covers over any boarding imperfections. Kwikbead is ideal for use on dry-lined timber and metal stud walls, boxed-out RSJs and bulkheads, and reskim. Kwikbead's pre-attached scrim tape reinforces corner strength and prevents cracking and flaking. Kwikbead's speed of attachment provides significant time and labor cost on site. Kwikbead can be used in domestic properties and on commercial sites and is available in 2.4, 2.7 and 3 meter lengths and bespoke sizes cut to drawing plan specifications. Kwikbead is available in quantities of 50. To start saving significant time and cost on your plastering contracts, contact Kwikbead today.